ghost. Ako naniniwala ako sa mga mukhang multo. And it happened the day I met Miss AP. Although, actually, multo siya in many forms, okay? For me, it's mostly his physical being that is haunting him. But for Iya, I think it's more of the ghost of their past. Ew. Yeah, the ghost of their past is haunting DJ Iya. And it's a very traumatic experience. Okay, do I believe in ghosts? Not really. First of all, I've never seen one. I've seen people who look like ghosts, but I've seen them in pictures, but seeing as these days, kahit ano ay kaya ng gawin ng Photoshop, medyo skeptical na ako sa mga ganyan. I do believe in the studio 12 ghosts. Ha? Nakuha ko yun sa nagsimula sa puso. Sinichika nila ang Studio 12. I think may hindi sila sa atin. Kasi ang ratings ng mix, namamayag pa. Hindi rin. Yeah, so I don't believe in ghosts. Pero meron ba guys? May nararamdaman ba kayo? Ha? You're very white. But, no, wala. I don't really believe in ghosts. If you have interesting ghost stories, do send them in. Actually, mahilig ako sa ghost stories. I like scaring myself. Tapos pag umabot na sa point na, baka nga totoo sila. Stop na. Anyway, here's Simon's Podcast by Tito Sai. Mga vampira, very timely sa Halloween. They stay at number 7.